Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use polySpectra AR. The website is ar.polyspectra.com, and I'm going to specifically show how to hand off files between my computer and, in this case, my iPad, but we could also do this on my phone. So you can see I'm scanning my iPad on my screen, and I can just click that QR code to open ar.polyspectra.com on my iPad. But you know, how many people have their STL files on their iPad? Not that many. So what I wanted to show today is I'm going to take my STL file that I have on my computer. I'm going to load it up here on my machine. And now, in order to hand this off, we actually need to save the file first, and then watch this QR code on the bottom. That once this is saved, boom, is automatically updated. Tap, here we go. That's going to get downloaded onto my iPad. Now it knows my iPad can launch AR. I click view in my space. I can see the part load. Whoa! In augmented reality. All of a sudden, handoff from my desktop to my tablet, and boy, that looks pretty close to the real thing. That's amazing. We can even exit this, go back here, and now super quickly try out some different designs. So I'm going to change the color of our torus to black, view it again in my space. This is kind of what the 3D object would look like, but then again, I'm going to load it in AR. Wow, there it is in black next to the real one. Oh my gosh, it looks an awful lot like the black one. So there you go, easy as pie, polySpectra AR. Hope you will check it out. And we tried to make it as easy as possible for you to hand off your STL files from your desktop to your tablet or your phone. And it's really so easy that, here we go, I got my phone in the game too. Oh my god, 3 devices all in one place at the same time. Didn't want to show you guys my phone passcode, but then here you go, you see we can do the same thing. So this is a really fast way to load your projects in AR on any device. You notice I didn't have to download anything, there's no app, and I can preview this maskless preview. So look, I've got double AR. I've got the black one in AR on the tablet. I've got the orange one in AR on my phone, and there's the model on my computer. Just fantastic. One of the fastest ways to prototype at light speed with effectively 0 carbon footprint. So I will hope that you will check it out. polySpectra AR. The website is ar.polyspectra.com. Enjoy. It's completely free to use.